beauties, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I completely lost my whole train of thought. Remember that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today I am doing another 5 facts in my 50 random facts about me series or Vlogtober. And that's what this video right here is going to be. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. And with that, let's jump in. So the first random fact about me is that obviously you can see I wear glasses, but I was supposed to start wearing glasses in middle school. That's when my eyesight really started to go bad. But I was terrified of wearing glasses because the kids were already picking on me and I didn't want to make it worse. So I would sit in the front of class and I would squint my eyes so I could see the board, and I actually ended up prolonging getting my glasses until my senior year of high school. I did not get glasses until my senior year of high school, which I came to find out later only made my eyesight worse. So now I am pretty much, I can't see a thing without my glasses. So I guess it's my fault, basically. So the second random fact about me is that I always carry a crystal around with me. Doesn't matter where I'm going, doesn't matter what I'm wearing, I always have a crystal with me. And today it is my clear quartz crystal. And first of all, I pick my crystals based on whatever I feel energy I'm gonna need the most that day. And quartz crystal is an amplifier. So it makes whatever energies it's around stronger. And I'm feeling very happy, I'm feeling very blessed, I'm feeling very grateful. Speaking of which, thank you for 81 subscribers. Just have to put that in there. Yeah, but I'm feeling very happy today and I really wanted to amplify those energies. So I am carrying my quartz crystal around with me today, but every day, I wouldn't say every day is a different crystal. Sometimes I double up, but it really just depends on what I feel I need that day. The third random fact about me is that I have always wanted to go to Africa. I love the continent. There's so much history. There's just so much that we can learn from going back to the place where life started. Because for those of you who don't know, the oldest human was found in Africa. So all the science people pretty much agree that life started on that continent. And I would just love to visit there, especially Egypt. That's a goal of mine. That's like one of my biggest goals, is to go to Africa. The third random, no, not the third, we already did the third. The fourth, random fact about me is that I used to work at Six Flags. For those of you who don't know what Six Flags is, it's basically an amusement park. It's a really fun amusement park, and they have like a bunch of roller coasters. It's the thrill capital of the world. That's what, it's what it calls itself. I used to work there. I worked as the people who sell the pictures. Like when you get on a roller coaster and it takes pictures of you, I was the person who would try and sell you those pictures for $30. Needless to say, I didn't sell many pictures. I didn't sell many pictures. I'm not a very good sales person. So it was basically someone would come up to my booth and they'd be like, oh, can I see my picture? And I'd be like, yeah. And they'd be like, okay, have a nice day. And they would leave and I'd be like, okay, you too. And was like, oh wait, I was supposed to be selling them something. But I don't know, I just, like, I never buy those pictures, so I'm like, why would I want to sell somebody something that I wouldn't even buy myself? So that was the issue. But the thing is, I really needed a job because I had just graduated and I needed money to, you know, pay my bills and pay my student loans. So I needed the job. I just wasn't very good at it. And I ended up getting laid off. Well, everyone who worked for that particular photo company got laid off. So got laid off from that job, and I ended up getting a new job somewhere else. There was one more job in between the job that I have now and Six Flags, but I don't remember what it was. The last random fact about me is that I really want a Tesla. Why do I want a Tesla? I have no idea. I've never ridden in a Tesla. Oh no, you know what? That's a lie. That is a lie. I have ridden in a Tesla before. I used to valet park cars. Another one of my many jobs. I used to be a valet, and I remember my first experience with a Tesla, and I was so confused because, for those of you who don't know, Teslas are very self-sufficient cars. They unlock on their own, the car starts on its own, they lock their doors on its own. It has an autopilot feature, so you don't even have to drive, it will drive for you. It's a very self-sufficient car. Nobody told me all of this, so I got to the car and started doing all of this, and I was like, oh, okay. But I thought it was really cool. I was just terrified because I was convinced that the car was possessed. Which it wasn't, obviously, but I didn't know that. I was confused. So then from that day on, I decided that I wanted a Tesla. Because they're really nice cars. They're really cool. But that first experience was a bit of a doozy. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so grateful to all of you who take the time to watch my videos. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys! If you missed my last random facts video, I will go ahead and link it here. Also, no, I will link it here. I'll link it here. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, all you gotta do is click my face and hit the big red button that says subscribe, or you can subscribe down below this video. Bye!